So we'll turn the heat press power on, and after an initial boot up, it will change to the normal operating screen. Now you'll see the temperature of the top half of the screen is already at 173 degrees. That's because we had this heat press turned on for a while and it's already warmed up. Normally that top half of the screen would start from around 30 odd degrees, or whatever the room temperature is. So the top half of the screen is the current temperature of the heating element. The bottom half of the screen shows the set temperature. That's very easy to change the settings on this heat press. Literally, I touch the set button once, it changes to P1. So this is the set temperature. Currently set at 195. I can change that using the up or down buttons. And then I press set one more time. It changes to P2. P2 is the time, the number of seconds that will elapse from the time where I press the red button until the alarm goes off to tell me that the heat press cycle is complete. On the next press of set, the screen changes to P3. Now this is where you can choose either centigrade or Fahrenheit scale. Now, and here in Australia, most of us use centigrade, but you can use either one. Now on the next press of set, it changes to P4. This is what we call standby mode. So this is both a safety feature and a power saving feature. Currently it's set to 45 minutes, and that means that after 45 minutes of inactivity of the heat press, the power to the heating element will shut down. So if you were to forget to turn the heat press off at night when you go home, you know that after 45 minutes it will turn the power off automatically. And of course it also saves power. So on the next press of set, we go back to the normal operating screen. Now there is one more operation that I'll explain. You can see at the bottom of the screen it says counter in orange lettering, and it's currently 4. That means that this mug press has completed 4 heat pressing cycles since the last time that the counter was set to 0. So if I'm starting a new job now and it's say 25 mugs, I want to reset the counter, I simply touch and hold the clear button here at the top, and the counter is now reset to 0. And that's literally all there is to using the controller on the mug press, other than perhaps the adjustment of pressure. Of course, you don't want too much pressure on a mug, but you need to have enough pressure so that the transfer paper is being pressed firmly against all surfaces of the mug.